Hello, this video talks about how to output to OFX format. If you need to create OFX format and you're using converters like bank to OFX, CSV to OFX, PDF to OFX or other to OFX converters, then this video is for you for better understanding what parameters or attributes OFX format requires. So, when you use into OFX converter, you will find the OFX tab on the right sidebar, and when you create the OFX file, all this transaction data will be saved in the OFX file, but there are also different attributes related to whole OFX file that can be set here. The first one is the account ID, and if you convert your multi-account file, then you would see several accounts here, and you can set all of them. And account ID is digits only number, and when you convert it for one account and then you need to convert for another account, make sure to change the account ID to be different. Different software treats this account ID in the OFX file differently. Some software like Sage requires exact account ID to be set, and some other software remember your choices for that specific account ID, like they remember which account in the accounting software, which account you choose to import your data. Some make this hard connection, some make soft connection, so it's better to use different account IDs when the files are meant for different accounts. Another important thing is account type. Make sure to set the account type to match what you have in your accounting software. Next thing is currency. Currency you can set it here, and it has to match in your accounting software if your accounting software checks that currency. Bank ID, branch ID, some software like Sage require this to be set exactly as you have, and balance same thing. Some software requires you can set it. If the balance is provided in source file, then it will be set, or you can set it yourself. And these settings are deterministic references, regenerate references, and so on, are advanced topic. Usually you would not use deterministic references, you would set regenerate references. You would allow for non-numeric check if your software allows. You would not allow empty name, and you would separate splits if any. So those are settings, how to say default set of settings, but this is advanced topics for separate video. And that's it. This is only options, and so OFX files will have date, will have amount, will have payee, will have memo, will have check number, will have reference. Depending of target, this is the last parameter I forgot to talk about. So target, there are several different targets. As you see, there's little different specific settings for the OFX file, and make sure to select your accounting software to match this setting here, and because it defines, first of all, it creates OFX file compatible with your software, and plus it puts additional details that would be useful to you. Let's say 0, when you select 0 it would add reference, but when you select, let's say, format like QuickBooks Online, it would not put that reference because it would break the file. So that's it. Thank you for watching.